It's time to get this credit card with $10,000 credit limit with no effect to your credit score. We are going to dive into the details of this very important credit card that you can get by filling this very simple application. Remember that we are going to tell you each and everything about this credit card, means how you can apply it, how you can fill the application, and what are the perks as well as the pros and cons of this credit card. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because right after this video we are also going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon to watch that video when we upload it. So without any further ado, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go! So let us tell you about Upgrade. Yes, Upgrade is the biggest opportunity right now because you can apply for various credit cards from Upgrade with no effect to your credit score when you check you're eligible for it or not. Remember, when it comes to these credit cards, you can get cash rewards when you use these credit cards. Remember, there's several credit cards that you can apply when it comes to Upgrade. The first one is Triple Cash Rewards card. It's unlimited 3% cash back on payments for purchases as home, auto, and health categories. This is the first card of many that they offer. The second one is Life Rewards. Yes, unlimited 3% cash back on payments purchases on gas, grocery, health, streaming, and utilities. Remember that both of these cards has no annual fee, as you can see right here. The third one is Cash Rewards, means you can get 1.5% cash back on payments. Remember that this one has also no fee at all, and you can apply these credit cards with no credit check, means when you try to see that you're eligible for it or not, there's no effect to your credit score. The next one is Upgrade One card, where you can get 3% cash back on everyday purchases, no interest on pay now purchases, and there is no fees on this one as well. They also have a cryptocurrency card which they call as Bitcoin Rewards card. You can get unlimited 1.5% cash back on Bitcoin payments, no fees except Bitcoin sale fee. Now, improving credit, if you have bad or worst or no credit, you can get this credit card and you can build your credit with it. Well, this is indeed a very straightforward video. We're not gonna get into the details, means what is the complexity and what are the other things, because this is very simple credit cards that you can apply. Remember, according to them, it's very convenient, it's lower cost, and it's predictable, means you can pay down balances from each month at a fixed rate with equal monthly payments. You don't have to worry about that you're going to carry balance or anything like that. Remember, when it comes to the Upgrade card, there are various things that you can do, right? For example, monthly payment on Upgrade, if you use it on a specific level, is going to be $252.25, while traditional credit cards has higher APR, and so therefore their payments or interest are higher. Time to pay off the balance, it takes 3 years to pay off Upgrade, while 22 years when it comes to the other credit cards. Interest is just $1,575. Again, it depends how much you use, while the traditional credit card charge a lot. Remember that how does it work? You can get your Upgrade card, apply online, and get a credit line from $500 to $25,000 if you want. You can make purchases and then you can pay it down in monthly payments. Now let's see how the application looks like, because we don't want to waste a lot of time right here. We want to get straight to it. So are you ready? Let's get into it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And here is the application that you all have been waiting for. Remember, as you can see, what you need to do right here, it says unlimited 1.5 cashback payments, no fee, because this is the card that I selected, right? So $200 bonus when you open a rewards checking account. So if you open a checking account, you can get $200 as well. So it's going to ask you for your first name, your last name, your home address, city, state, zip code, date of birth, individual annual income, additional annual income, and you can create your account by clicking right here on the email address and put your email address and password. Then you have to click on this I have read agreement, and then One more thing that we would like to tell you right here, and we can zoom it right, and then we can tell you that what we love about this is that checking for an offer is free and will not impact your credit score. And we love this. Means if you are satisfied and you want the credit card after they check your credit, means they're not going to check your credit as hard pull, it's going to be a soft pull. So when they see that if you're eligible, they will give you an offer. If you select an offer, then they will do a hard pull. And remember, this way you will be able to know that either you're going to get your credit card or not, and this is indeed a very great system. Remember, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and we will be happy to answer each and every question of yours. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.